Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using temporary chat in Chat GPT on a desktop browser. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Using temporary chat allows you to use Chat GPT with a completely clean slate. It won't remember anything you have asked it before and will have no recollection of previous conversations. Temporary chats will also not appear in your chat history. To start a temporary chat on a desktop browser, tap the current Chat GPT version in the top left. Tap the toggle to the right of temporary chat. If you have custom instructions enabled, they will still be followed in temporary chats. Tap Continue. You can now use Chat GPT as normal. To turn off temporary chat, follow the same steps, but disable the toggle instead of enabling it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chat GPT tips and tricks.